Okay, here's our revised drawing. Added 12-inch deep cabinets on the back of the island here. 32 wide, 12 deep. There's 3 of them, so 6 doors on the back. This is the filler piece between the wall and the fridge cabinet, and this line represents the width of the wall, 4.5 inches, and then a straight line drawn across, so it lines up right here. The crease in the ceiling is represented here, so the back of the countertop lines up with that. This space here is roughly be 62 inches. This space here, roughly 42. That's cabinet to cabinet. You're going to have, it's not quite to the cabinet, but you're going to have an 1.5 inch overhang of countertop on either side. So you'll be around 40 inches. And then our 60, around 60 inches here. And the countertop would be this cabinet's 30, this is 12. The thickness of the doors on the front and the back is 1.5 inches. It'll overhang 1.5 inches on the front and a foot overhang on the back. So the countertop depth would be about 57 inches front to back. And then the length of it has not changed, but 8 feet. So if this looks good to you, we can get this into the shop and see when we have time to get it built. Obviously, before they're scheduled to do the countertops, we'll be able to pull it closer to the range now that we have added room because of this toe kick. We can pull it forward towards the range. This wall is not shown, but it's represented here with that wall. All right, let me know. Thanks.